All right, everybody. Welcome back to James' Adventures in Advanced Placement Chemistry. Everybody. Today we're going to be covering naming acids. I think acids and oxyacids. So, I wrote out a handy-dandy chart here. So when naming a acid, the first thing you want to check is, does the anion contain oxygen? If it does not, then you name it the anion root, and then you add "ic" on the end. However, if the anion does contain oxygen, so if the answer is yes, then you want to check the ending of the ion. If it ends in "ite," then you use the anion root and then you add "ous" to the end. If the ending is "ate," then you name it the root plus "ic" at the end. All right, kitties. So let's go ahead and do some exemples here, if you can speak Spanish. Our first one is HCl. So if we go through our chart, it does not contain any oxygen. So the root would be, it would be hydro, and then our root, and then ic. So hydrochloric acid. Our next one follows the same kind of rule. So we've got hydrobromic acid. Our next one is fluoric acid. So this one is like the same as the first two, except, it's the same as the first two. So it's just going to be HF. Our next one does contain oxygen, however. So, if we go through our chart, then we can see that the name would be nitric acid. Our next one also includes oxygen, and it would be nitrous acid going through our chart, because it would be nitrite. Our next one is hypochloric acid. So, because it has hypo and it ends in ic, we can tell that it would be chlorate, which is ClO4. Then we add the H at the beginning, and it would be HClO4. Alright, so our last one is HCO3, and because it is chlorate at the end, we would change the 8 to an ic, and it would be carbonic acid. Thank you guys for watching. That sums up Chapter 1, Nomenclature. We hope to see you on Chapter 2. We're doing sig figs with my partner, Rohan Agarwal. He is a person in 8th.
That's it.